So now I'm in Costco. Boring.
So yeah. Yo, welcome to a new vlog. It is 6:10 in the morning. I am tired, so let me sleep and then I'll get tired in the next part of the vlog. So, boredom has really kicked in. It does not seem to be raining outside. Yes, it is actually raining outside. So, let's continue on with the rainy day vlog.
So now I'm in Costco. Boring. Don't love Costco trips. This is like the second time that I've done a Costco segment. Flashback to when I did last time. And yay. Yeah. I don't know what to say. Alright, so I just looked through the flashback and I just realized that I'm wearing the exact same thing. So that's probably ironic, or at least I'm wearing the same color. And so that's funny. And also, second, let's get to the next segment. All right, boys. So I came back from what's called Costco a while ago. I think that was the last one, and it was pretty boring. I was just cleaning up the house, so it was pretty boring. As you guys know, it was raining. So I think it still is raining outside. So I didn't go out for my walk. So yeah. I'm kind of bored. Boredom has kicked in, but still. It's a rainy day vlog. It's not bad. This will be used for the thumbnail. Anyways. That's for the thumbnail. Anyways, let's hope there's a clip after this. So let's get to the next segment. Alright, so I'm going to bed right now. I will see you guys tomorrow.